Hi friends, welcome to WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference in the community and also make Rotary seen. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative. It's an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In WizBiz Talks, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I'm your host, Dr. Manish Motwan, a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator of Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And friends, our guest for the day is a very senior Rotarian with more than 2 decades of experience in Rotary. A Rotarian from one of the most premier clubs in District 3141, that is from Rotary Club of Mumbai, Warsaw. Yes, friends, it's Dr. Pankaj Maheshwari from Rotary Club of Mumbai, Warsaw. Dr. Pankaj Maheshwari is by classification a dental surgeon. He's a passionate dental surgeon practicing at Lokhandwala Complex in Andheri West for the last 35 years. He's a past president of India Academy of Aesthetic and Cosmetic Dentistry too. He says it's been an enriching and fulfilling journey in Rotary, and now it is a way of life for me. Friends, let me present before you a man of commitment, a man with sincerity, a man with passion, a man to do something for the community. Yes, friends, I have the pleasure to present before you Rotarian Dr. Pankaj Maheshwari.
Thanks, Manish, for the kind introduction.
Pankajji, it's been a pleasure to have you here with us on this talk show, the WizBiz Talks, a unique initiative of Visioneer to create more bonding amongst Rotarians, to create more friendship amongst Rotarians on personal front, Rotary front, and also on the business front. So, Pankajji, we have worked a lot together. We've known each other since quite some time, and during the preparations for Visioneer, we've communicated a lot with each other. But there are so many others who would like to know something more about you. Will it be good for you to let us know something about you as a person and your family background?
Thanks, Manish. First of all, it's a great initiative by the entire team. I must congratulate, and especially Sunilji and you, to take this initiative. So I basically started my career in 1980, and when I joined Dental College, Nair Hospital Dental College, Premier Institute. Graduated from there in 1984, and immediately a year later, I started my practice at Lokhandwala Complex. So there's so many of my friends who would start the practice, but there was one thing which I was very clear from the beginning, that I want to practice and give the best possible with the equipment and give my patient the latest and the best dental treatment available in India. That journey, that passion, you may call it, or that commitment, or whatever it is, took me to many places. And I was on always search of finding something newer and better materials and technique, learn there, bring it to my practice, learn from there, and again go back. And this journey is still continuing. I'm still as passionate about my practice as I was 35 years back. During this year, the entire thing has changed, and now I am into the higher end dentistry, aesthetic dentistry, full mouth rehabilitation, smile design. These are work which is also routinely done in my practice.
That's great, Pankajji. So good to know so much about you. But as I had just said some time back, that we want Rotarians to bind with each other. We want so many people who are not aware about you and have not worked with you or have not taken your advice somewhere. We all want to know. We want them to know that there is a doctor called as Dr. Pankaj Maheshwari in one of the very premier areas in Mumbai, in Andheri. And what is your specialty? Can you tell something more about your specialty?
Sure, sir. Sure, Manish. So basically, I'm a general dentist, and we treat all the patients for all the ailments of the dentistry. Apart from that, I specialize into doing the aesthetic dentistry. So to me, if I'm going to touch the teeth, it should be exactly as it was before. So we call it aesthetic part. So be it a filling or putting a cap or doing a bridge or an implant. So a lot of emphasis is given on making it absolutely looking natural. I hate to see the caps or the work which does not match with the color. So I'm passionate about that. With my practice also, we have a lot of specialists and consultants who come in to help in those nuances. Maybe that. So we have also oral surgeon visiting, periodontist visiting, and so many other. Apart from this general dentistry, I also do the smile design. These are basically for the people who want to appearance related dentistry. There are so many methods and treatments available today. So you can literally change the smile of the person. Of course, when we started this, film celebrity and the models, they were my patients. Today, not only they are present, but lots of normal people, I would call, nothing to do with the media, are coming forward and getting benefit for this particular smile part.
So you are into the business of bringing smiles on the faces of people. That's a
Yes.
very noble job. So whatever gives them a satisfaction and what gives you a satisfaction is something which is possibly the best for that particular person. Great, Dr. Pankaj. This is a lovely, noble job that you're doing. Now coming to the responsibility of Rotary in 2021. You know, you have been given a post of district project director. District project director for any avenue means that you are in charge of the entire district for that particular project, where you have your own team of 20-30 people who are working with you to ensure that that project reaches its logical conclusion, and you get the final aim is that the community has to get benefited. So you are a district project director in the coming year. I would like you to tell everyone what is your avenue, one, and second, what are your plans to take this forward?
So we basically wanted to start, just started as a kind of, a conversation with the last year, Harjeet Talwarji as a DG, that why not we do something big for the district in terms of dental treatment. So we took it on. We did a lot of work last year. And when we met last year, Sunilji, he gave me a bigger challenge. He said, whatever you're thinking about doing it, now make it a multiplier and make a huge impact. So we want to do it. This is a dental project which is going to make a huge impact on the people of this city. So there are basically the school children which gets neglected for the want of treatment. So this project is about them. We want to help the children who does not have the parents does not have the ability and they have the need for undergoing for the treatment. We are going to do a checkups on these schools all over the district. We would like, and then we would be, after screening, we will be also making arrangements for their treatment to be done at MGM Dental College in Navi Mumbai. So entire thing has been put up in place. My team is ready. We are now just waiting for the COVID thing to get over. And once the thing settles down back in Mumbai, we are ready to go.
I know, dentists, ophthalmologists and ENT surgeons are the one who usually work so close to the face. This is the time for them to keep themselves also safe. And if you are safe now, you can do much more than what you had planned to, but you have to be safe rather than very aggressive now and then feel sorry later. So it's the right decision that you're saying, that you're waiting for the right time to come. Project is in place, the blueprint is in place. It's only about execution, and with your leadership skills, your strong team, I'm sure you're going to achieve all that was once thought unachievable. That's great to know you, Dr. Pankaj Maheshwari, and great to know your plans for the year. I'm sure with your support, each and every club is going to participate and we are going to make things happen. Thank you so much for your presence today on this talk show. I've enjoyed every moment of it. In fact, it was a pleasure to host you, a person so ethical, a person so genuine, a person with so much of character, transparency. And to host such a person on your talk show is something like a privilege for me too. So thank you, Dr. Pankaj, for your presence here. It's been thorough pleasure having a chit chat on this WizBiz talk show with you.
Thanks, Manish. I really appreciate all the efforts which you are taking it up. Thank you very much.